In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at the D major scale. The D major scale, quite an easy one, only two accidentals to think of, F sharp and C sharp. And this one, a little bit more easier because of the accidentals spaced out so evenly. If you like this video, please don't forget to, well, like it, leave a comment, subscribe, check the bell notification for any new videos in the future. And as always, thanks so much for your support and for watching. Let's get started. We're going to have a look at the one octave first, right and left separately, and then together. Starting with my thumb on D, standard scale fingering. 1, 2, F sharp, 1, 2, 3, C sharp, D, and we're going to come back down the same way. Super easy, third and fourth on the accidentals. Left hand, starting with my fifth, and hands together. Quite an easy one to do. Moving on to two octaves, we'll just be copying and pasting the standard scale fingering. Right hand first. Thumb on D, left hand, and then hands together. Of course, as this is part of Hanon, we will be requiring it to play it 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. At the end of the exercise, we have the cadence, and although this is optional, please try to practice this as well, since it teaches us not just movement but also chord progression. We're going to end on our D at the bottom, come up to G in the left, 1 octave, right hand's going to have E, B and D. Left hand's going to come up to A. My thumb's going to go to F sharp, second on A, together with the D in the right. Hop down 1 octave. We're going to have fifth finger on C sharp. We're going to have G and A and E. Finally, we're going to hop back to D in the left, and we're going to have D, F sharp, A and D for the cadence. And that is the D major scale. Thanks for watching.